Grabe, sa halagang ganito, makakabili ka na ng two-story house sa Imus? Yes, for close property to from BDO, kaya mas mura kaysa sa regular market price. Perfect chance para sa mga naghahanap ng budget-friendly home investment sa Cavite. Located inside Villa Bienes subdivision, malapit sa schools, public transport at commercial areas. Perfect for families na gusto ng tahimik pero accessible na location. Property details, lot area 100 square meter, floor area 96 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Starting bidding price, 3,420,000. Sobrang sulit na to for a 2-story home sa Imus. Bidding date, November 10, 2025. Mark your calendars, kaya kailangan magpa-assist agad bago maunahan ka ng iba. Payment terms, 10% down payment, 5% spot, 5% installment. 90% bank financing via BDO. Pwede rin cash payment, PDC or manager's check. Note, bank fees and transfer of title not yet included. Kung gusto mong malaman kung paano mag-join sa bidding, don't worry, we'll guide you step by step from viewing the unit up to the bidding proper. Free house tour assistance available. Yes, libre. Wala kang babayaran for viewing. Kami nang bahala magpa-schedule para makita mo mismo yung property. Don't miss this opportunity. For close properties like this, don't stay long, lalo na pag maganda ang location at presyo. Message us now for complete details and how to join the bidding.